this tutorial I will show you how to put mini charts or sparklines. So first of all you need to go to this insert tab. Here we have this sparklines. So I am taking column sparklines. Then this dialog box will appear. First of all it's asking choose the data that you want. So I'll choose all this sales data. Then it's asking choose where you want the sparklines to be placed. So I want to place the sparklines in this column. So I'll select it like this and OK. So you see I have just created the sparklines or mini charts. This was it for this video. In case you liked it, kindly like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye for now.